Hello guys, today we can start up with part B programs. So I'll be doing at least the first program and the second program with respect to regular expressions. So I will open the editor. I will open the editor. So this is the thing. I will clear it right now, which already worked. So this is a basic regular expressions which I'll be doing here. Let I type this and run and see the flow how it is. So for regular expressions you have to import a library called as import RE. So this import RE is an object, or we call it as a module, which will have its methods. So you can call it as a module or it is an object which will have its methods as well as classes. That is what you should understand. Next, I am declaring a variable which is called as that is phone number. Now I will just take it as input here. So after that I am just using enter phone number. I am giving the phone number. This is just an input statement. Okay, so now this I am just going for a pattern here. These are all called as a variable, default of variables it is. Okay, so now what else you can do? I am just giving some space over here, and after that I am applying regular expressions. So after that we have to use a caret symbol for this. This is a caret symbol. See, caret symbol. And after that I am using backslash and I am using plus. So this I am telling you, I am just showing you, this is what I can highlight here. This is called a start with. Oh, I can make it, you cannot see, I can make a little bit bold also, so you can see it. I can make it as 20. So now you can see what is happening over here, right? So this symbol, it is called as a start with symbol. Okay, and after that I am using this. So this is called as a pattern. So I am starting from 0 to 9. The pattern is starting from 0 to 9. Okay, it is a number. So this flaw braces will specify the numbers limit. So I am using 10, 10 means it is exactly 10 it has to take. If you give more than 10 it will not take, or less than 10 it will take 10. So this is the pattern. This is a pattern. Okay, it is in the string format. That is the reason it is in the string format. Double quotes I have given here. What is this pattern here? This pattern is of a string type it is. Then what is phone number here? Phone number is also called as it's a string type, but I am not specifying something as int here. Okay, so that you should understand, this phone number is a string type and pattern is also a string type. Okay, string type can accept any type of special characters, that you should understand. Next, after that I am just going for the result. What I am doing, I am using RE. As I told you already, RE can call it as a module which will have methods and class. So I am using dot. So if I use dot, I can see here a method called as search. It's a method. For the search I am just applying pattern, and after that I am using comma ph underscore no. Okay, that's it. So I got the solution result. Either it will be true or it will be false. Okay, now what I do, I am just applying my if statement. Okay, and after that I am just going for print, and after that I am just specifying this is a valid phone number. That's it. After that I am just going here ph. That's it. Next I will go last over here, else I will copy this and I will paste it and I will make it as invalid. invalid phone number. Phone number. Now let us run this program, I say. Okay, so now I will run this program. I will save this and I will run it over here. So yeah, see, you see here it is throwing. Now like this sort of errors if you face, you should try to solve here. Okay, so what it is telling, colon is missing. That is what expected. So see that's what I told, see the error. So this is an error, I have done it, no problem. So I'll go to the program. Oh my goodness, I close the editor. Okay, not issue. So once again, not issue, I can open it here. This is the thing. Okay, so else I have not given, else I am giving colon. Okay, this is a mistake, I have done it, right? Like this you have to solve the errors I am telling you. Okay, so what it is showing here, it is showing something like it is throwing warning. So it is throwing warning, but if you give the correct phone number, it will accept. I will give and show to you. See here, I am using 91. Okay, plus you have to count 10 digits. Okay, 96. Okay, after that I am giving 32. Okay, and after that I am giving 02. Okay, 02. I am giving 0, and also I am giving 960. Let us count the digits. Okay, I will see here. So this is one. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digits is there. So limitation I have given 10 over here. So if you press enter, let us see what happens here. It is showing it is a valid phone number. Then the issue arises, sir, like suppose if the external asks, sir, because it is throwing warning, sir, it is expecting invalid escape sequence. So if the program is solving, if it is having an issue, I don't want any kind of warning. I want to show the success. For that I identified in a chat GPT, so that I will show that window also for you, right? So this is a thing you have to find it in chat GPT, that you should have a bit knowledge about. I will show this. See here, I have already found it in chat GPT. This I have chat GPT is open, right? I have given a question here, how to fix up this issue, right? So like this you have to find out, you have to use your own brains here. So in this it will give, if you scroll it will give the correct, here is a corrected version. So instead of this I use a raw string over here. So this I will apply R here, right? And let us see R, and I will execute this program. In the lab cycle it is not mentioned. If you see the lab cycle, it is not mentioned. But if you refer chat GPT is using something like R, that is what I call as raw string. So after putting R, let us once again run this program.